What is a tripping circuit in relays and switchgear? Imagine a power system suddenly faces a fault like a short circuit or overload. How does the system protect itself from damage and keep running smoothly? That's where a tripping circuit comes into play. It acts like an emergency response team, quickly disconnecting the faulty part of the system. When a fault occurs, protection relays detect the abnormal condition. These relays are like vigilant guards, constantly monitoring current and voltage levels. If they sense something wrong, they send a signal through the tripping circuit. This circuit then energizes the trip coils inside the circuit breaker. When the trip coil activates, it causes the breaker to open, stopping the flow of electricity. This process isolates the problem area, preventing damage to equipment like transformers, generators, and cables. The tripping circuit isn't just a simple wire. It includes several important parts. Protection relays are the main sensors, and they can be primary or backup. The master trip relay acts as a central switch that controls the trip signal. The circuit breaker has one or two trip coils, often called trip mechanisms, which are controlled separately for safety. Auxiliary relays and wiring connect everything together, making sure the signals reach the breaker quickly. Fuses and links are also part of the circuit, providing extra protection if something goes wrong. Power supply connections keep the whole system energized and ready to act at any moment. Many circuit breakers have two trip coils for redundancy. If one coil or its control circuit fails, the other can still trip the breaker. This setup makes the system more reliable, especially in critical power applications. The trip circuit also has a supervision system. It constantly checks if the circuit is working properly, looking for issues like loose connections or power failures. If it detects a problem, it sends an alert to operators. This way, they know the system might not trip when needed, and they can fix it before any damage occurs. In switchgear, the trip circuit is vital because it controls the opening of circuit breakers during faults. Without a reliable trip circuit, even the best protection relays can't do their job effectively. It ensures that faults are isolated quickly, minimizing power outages and protecting equipment. It also keeps personnel safe by preventing dangerous electrical conditions from spreading. In simple terms, the tripping circuit is the electrical pathway that turns detection into action. When a fault is found, it triggers the breaker to open, stopping the flow of electricity. It's supported by supervision systems that keep it in top shape, ready to respond whenever needed. This system plays a key role in maintaining the stability and safety of power systems, especially those integrating renewable energy sources or distributing power across large networks.